Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt China. We specialize in the commercial inject. Yep. Today I want to show you some of our product. This is our control valve. Yes, we are showing today. Yep. Okay, follow me. Let's check the detail first. Yes, for these packaging bags, you can see we pack it with the VCI anti-rust bags. And for this part, you can see this is the labels on it. The first line of the label is the Shumatt logos, right? And if you want to print with your own logos, you can contact us and we can help you design it. And then the label, the logo, and the packaging bag, and so on. Yeah. On this part, you can see this is the model numbers. This is the product code F00VC01370. And the application model number is 0445110323 and 0445110324. And on this part is a QR code. Okay, so much for the labels. Yes, let's open it to see the inside part. On the inside, you can see this is a transparent packaging little box, right? We have two types of our packaging bags. Yes, today I will show you this one. You can look at this one. Yes, when I open it, you will find we pack it with oil paper. When I open it, you can see our whole side of our valve assembly. Actually, we not only seal in whole side, but also we seal in a separate part. You can see the valve cap. One valve cap, we have the coating and also with the curved letters. This is a valve rod. For valve, we have different size, different lengths. If you have other size, if you want other size, you can contact us because we supply the customized services. Okay, so much for the product details. Actually, we have many models of our product. If you are not familiar with, you can send us product code. We can have you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Okay, and actually, except that, we also supply the injector nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, and the control valve we are showing today. Yes, about control valve. By the way, I want to share with you about our tips. Yes, we have two tips. The first tip, if you want to clean it, you clean it with oil. The second tips, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, actually, we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you like it, please follow us. Okay, feel free to contact us. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.